Who discovered electricity? Edison, Tesla, or were others involved? Actually, this goes back a long way. Around 600 BC, a mathematician named Thales rubbed amber against his fur coat. Then the amber fell to the ground, and Thales saw that the amber attracted pieces of straw. At that time, no one thought about why this happened. Today we know it's static electricity, but for 2,000 years, this attraction was seen as a curious illusion, until William Gilbert. In 1600, while studying amber and magnets, Gilbert realized that electricity was something different from magnetism. In the 1700s, people began to think about it more. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin conducted a kite experiment. He attached a piece of metal to the kite string and saw that an electric charge was created. Actually, this experiment was very dangerous. Benjamin could have died if he had been directly struck by lightning. Luckily, that didn't happen. 50 years later, in the 1800s, the first battery was produced. In fact, this was humanity's first controlled source of electricity. In 1831, Michael Faraday noticed that electricity was generated when a magnet was moved around a wire coil. In fact, this discovery would form the basis of the nuclear and hydroelectric power plants we use today. Because the idea was very good, generating electricity using magnets. At the end of the 1800s, two more brilliant inventors emerged, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. While Edison advocated for direct current, DC, Tesla advocated for alternating current, AC. Explaining the differences between them would take too long. However, we can define it simply as follows. Think of DC as one-way traffic, and you need a separate lane for turning. With AC, there's a constant movement in both directions. That's why DC was good for short distances, but difficult to transmit over long distances. AC, on the other hand, was a great system for inner-city use. And AC won that battle. The electricity used in our homes today is based on the AC system. So electricity has always existed in nature. Humans didn't discover it, they discovered how to use it. And thankfully, they did.